Wow. Look at this. It's a really foggy, mystical morning here in Norway. That is not an animal. That is a guy swimming his morning routine in November. Wow. You know, this is part of a documentary we are making, and we're posting on YouTube as we go. I bought the Think City in June, and now it's November. You know, it's getting cold inside the vehicle, because one of the things that is really bad with the Think City is that the heating often goes bad. And it's hard to replace, because all the heaters are bad. So my thought was, well, I don't have the technical skills to repair it, but I can buy a battery bank and put in a little space heater and just turn it on. So there you have it. Or do we? Maybe not, because simple solutions sometimes need a little tweaking before they work. So I tried first. At first I had the heater in the back, in the trunk, or in the trunken, som we say here in Norway. So that didn't work very well. It made the cabin heat up, so that was nice. But when the fog started settling on the outside of the vehicle, it wasn't warm enough. The windows wasn't warm enough to make the fog go away. I tried holding the whole battery bank up to the window, parking my car first and then doing that. And that didn't help much either, because I could hold it up there for a moment and then drive on, but yeah, it wasn't optimal. So I got a different heater with a cord. So now I can place the heater heating up me if the windows are fine, and if the windows fog up, I can put the heater in the window, and then the fog disappears. So I guess that's gonna be my solution for a little while, and it probably will work for all kind of old cars that has the heater gone bad. So okay, I'm fine. So right now we're in a development period to try to figure out what the documentary is going to be about. It's going to be about Think, maybe a little bit more. Maybe we'll come to your place in the USA of America, or Europe, or yeah. So just keep following the channel if you like what we're putting out there. Yeah. See you.